Have you ever wondered which car brand in India has made the most defective cars which have led to some of the biggest recalls in Indian automotive history? Well, wonder no more because today I've created a list of some of the biggest recalls to hit the Indian automotive industry. Hello everyone, this is Bichao and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some of those car makers in India that were affected by major recalls. Now, I was very surprised when I was making this list because some of those car brands that we think are one of the most reliable when making a car had made it to the top of this list, while some of the other brands which we are quite suspect of their build quality and overall reliability and reputation actually either didn't make it to this list or were way down below. Now, all the data that I've got over here is publicly available on SIAM or Society of Indian Automotive Manufacturers website, which I will link down in the comment section below. And just in case you don't want to go through that, I have created a simple, well, when I say simple, it's it's quite a big spreadsheet. This is the entire spreadsheet that I created, which I have printed out for my reference. And this spreadsheet I will link down in the comment section below as well. So if you want to go through a compiled list which I'm mentioning in this video, all of that will be down in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get this video started because as you can see, we have a huge list to go through. Now this list includes recalls of every category, which includes some voluntary recalls, some recalls which were critical and affected structural and mechanical parts of the car, as well as some cosmetic recalls. So this is a comprehensive list that includes everything, and just beating the top 5th spot is General Motors with 261,000 recalls. And almost all of these recalls were because of the Chevrolet Beat, which had a faulty keyless entry as well as a cracking clutch pedal issue. It's surprising and kind of makes me look stupid that I told a lot of people that the Chevrolet Cruze was not a very reliable car, and in this list there are only 5,000 cars that have been totally recalled. But that is because for some reason Chevrolet India didn't issue a recall, because if you go on the US side, Chevrolet Cruzes over there have been recalled in massive quantities with about 7 to 8 total recalls, which include steering wheel breakage, which include problems with the engine, which include overheating, which include problems with the radiators and the cooling systems, fuel lines, lots of things. But I digress. In India, the Cruze has been actually labeled as a pretty reliable car with only 5,000 recalls throughout its life cycle. Okay, number 5 in this list with a total of 290,000 cars is Mahindra, which had a major issue with the XUV 500 where a total of 130,000 cars had been recalled back. This includes multiple defects such as the oil leakage that caused the power steering to fail. Also, there was a vacuum pump issue which caused engine damage. And the biggest of them all was a faulty code that led to failure in deployment of the curtain airbags. Apart from that, the second highest Mahindra car that was recalled was the Scorpio, with close to 90,000 cars being recalled due to an overstretched fluid hose that caused breakage and leakage in fluids. The same issue also affected the Bolero, where about 30,000 cars were recalled. Moving on to the 4th most recalled car manufacturer in India, and we reach Ford with a total of 480,000 or 480,000 cars recalled, with the list topping with the Ford Fiesta as well as the Figo. Over 3 lakh Ford Fiestas and Figos were recalled during this period of time for multiple reasons, including a crack in the rear twist beam, hose oil leakages, as well as a glow plug defect which could cause fire. The second highest recalled Ford car was the Ford EcoSport. EcoSport. I'll go with EcoSport. This car was recalled due to multiple different issues, where about 148,000 or 148,000 cars were recalled in total due to a fuel line overheating issue, loose rear backrest bolts. Then there was a airbag deployment failure problem. There was also a problem with the powertrain control module, resulting in slowed deceleration and even battery failure. There was also an issue with a faulty child lock which resulted in the door opening while the lock was still engaged. Now, for the 3rd most recalled car company in India, I don't think a lot of people will be very surprised, because a lot of people do consider their cars, well, being reliable, at the same time not very high on quality, at least build quality, and that manufacturer is no one else than our own Maruti Suzuki. Over the last 10 years, Maruti Suzuki has issued an absolutely massive recall with close to 510,000 vehicles. This recall included almost all of their cars, from the Baleno to the Dzire to the Swift, the Ertiga, the A-Star, as well as the Echo, with a problem in the fuel pump that prevented the engine to start in the Baleno as well as the Wagon-R. This led to the biggest recall in Maruti's history, with close to 135,000 cars being recalled by the manufacturer. Second to that was a problem with the fuel cap leveling, which caused fuel to leak, which resulted in the Swift Dzire, the Swift as well as the Ertiga being recalled in a total number of 1 lakh units. And lastly, about 70,000 Swift and Swift Dzire had to be recalled because of an incorrect mounted wiring harness which caused interference. Also, about 1500 cars were recalled due to an unapproved steering column assembly. How do you have an unapproved part on the assembly line in the same factory manufacturing parts which have been approved? Now, the number 2 spot for the car manufacturer with the most recalled cars isn't because they made a defective car or a defective product, but they are on this list because of a very unique reason, and that is that they cheated. Of course, we are talking about the Volkswagen Group, who created a huge issue back in 2015 due to their defeat devices, and due to that they land at number 2 on this list with close to 5,25,000 cars, out of which most of them were recalled due to a software update for Dieselgate. Now, while there were more than 490,000 cars, including the Polo, the Vento, the Jetta as well as the Passat, that were recalled due to Dieselgate, there were also a few cars like the Audi A4 and the Q7 that were recalled for different reasons. For example, the Audi A4 was recalled due to faulty triggering of the airbags and needed a software update, and some of the Audi Q7s had to be recalled because of engine oil leaking into the vacuum lines, causing damage to the diaphragm. Just imagine if the VW Group didn't use defeat devices to cheat on the emissions. They would have been easily knocked off this list, because if you take out the Dieselgate recalls, VW has issued a total of close to around 34,000 recalls over the last 10 years. And coming to number 1, the most recalled car brand in India, this is going to surprise you as much as it did me, because I think we all collectively think that this car company makes the most reliable cars, not just in India, but across the world. But with 920,000 or 920,000 cars recalled over the last decade, Honda India makes it to the number 1 list of the most recalled cars in the country. Yep, that is true. Majority of this issue was due to one common problem, where the airbag used to be excessively pressurized, causing it to rupture. And this affected almost 550,000 or 550,000 cars from 2015 to 2018. And since most manufacturers use a single supplier for a specific part, this meant that the entire range of Honda cars, from the Honda City to the Honda Mobilio to the Jazz to the Civic to the Accord, all of their cars throughout the range were affected by this defect. Honda also had to issue a very weird recall where their power window switches were melting in the Honda City, for which about 43,000 cars were recalled. And then again in 2020 and 21, Honda cars were hit with yet another big issue, which caused them to recall close to 2 lakh cars. This was yet again one of those issues which involved a common part, which meant that entire range of cars were affected by this particular recall, where a fuel pump failure led to cars not being able to start at all. And on the other end of things, we have manufacturers who issued the least amount of recalls over the last 10 years. And another surprising leader over here is Tata, with just 516 recalls issued in total, and that also for the Jaguar XF. And none of the recalls include any cars of the Tata make at all, which is very surprising. And so guys, that was it. Let me know what you think of some of the car brands that made it to this list. Were you surprised? Were you expecting these car brands to be there? Because I was for sure shocked to see some of these car brands make it to the list, such as Honda at the top of the most recalled car brands. But let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and also let me know what you think of videos like this. If you like them, then I will definitely try doing more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Till then,